Godly greetings to our key officials of the university, our campus director, Dr. Engelbert Cipino Lirao, the assistant campus director, Dr. Teresita Cleopolda P. Sarile, the campus director as well of the Oslo and Hinatilan Extension campuses, the college dean, the associate dean, the program chairpersons, the on-the-job training coordinators and teacher facilitators, and of course our dear dynamic on-the-job trainees for this academic year. The future is virtual. Virtual OJT or immersion is the new normal. As they say, virtual is the new normal. The year 2021 has been anything but ordinary, and this virtual on-the-job training through it all has been nothing short of extraordinary. Virtual engagement could take several forms or modes to achieve the desired result. Most industries or companies now use several platforms to connect with one another online, depending on the work at hand. We won't meet anyone in person on an immersion or OJT because the entire world is moving online. However, we continue to communicate with your OJT chair and professor, and even going beyond is meeting your reporting manager, your team members, and fellow trainees on a frequent basis. The finest part is still to come. A virtual OJT is an experience that may be obtained by working from home and includes online training, orientation, placements, industry, virtual simulation, webinar series, skills enhancement, workshops, and insights. The PPAA of the university, the Office of the Vice President for Academic Affairs, has released a memo with the code K1220001 series of 2020 on the guidelines in the implementation of the on-the-job training program, and this has been approved per resolution number 254 series of 2020, a resolution approving the guidelines, the implementation of on-the-job training or OJT programs in the new normal, adhering to the Commission on Higher Education COVID-19 advisories numbers 3, 6, and 7. Your college has been preparing for this through identifying alternative activities in the implementation of on-the-job training in the new normal. Virtual OJTs can be referred to as online internships, remote internship, or a work experience that takes place entirely online. It's essentially the same thing. This new type of on-the-job training is open to anyone from anywhere in the world, and it's so self-paced that we can work whenever we choose. All we want is continuously internet connection. The COVID-19 pandemic has rendered our old management methods obsolete, leaving us with little choice except to go online. This is why people of all ages are becoming accustomed to working on laptops, personal computers or desktop computers, mobile devices, and tablets or iPads. Similarly, all firms or industries have begun to accept remote work from their employees and have begun to adjust virtual working environments more quickly in the future. As a result, it has a significant impact on the-job training season. However, many organizations have placed candidate applications on hold as a result of COVID-19 and are now gradually getting back on track through virtual internship or on-the-job training programs. Many students have been rejected while others have been given a fair chance to succeed in the world. Many companies have now started to mentor their OJTs electronically or virtually. The number of work from home OJTs applications and requirements have increased thrice since the first shutdown was recorded. It illustrates that even if students have missed or been rejected or internships or OJTs, a lot of possibilities have been coming their way through virtual platforms in the last few months. They only need to update their resumes and applications in accordance with corporate guidelines and then seek their selected internship from the comfort of their own homes. I know your college has also linkage or partnership with identified industries and companies will be accepting for virtual on-the-job training. Aside from the alternative um, simulation activities like simulation or series of skills enhancement webinars. Based on record, only 39% of companies hired virtual trainees before COVID-19 outbreak, but the number has risen to 63% in the last 4 months. Following COVID-19, a mixed group of virtual and in-office interns or OJTs will be explored with the goal of implementing work from home policies until the pandemic situation improves. Hiring processes have been moved online and work from home opportunities have been made available. Our country is quickly adjusting to the new teaching and learning norms. Communication, creativity, and time management are all gaining popularity. Remote working necessitates a high level of technological proficiency, especially in your role today as on-the-job trainees. Creativity, innovation, and research are now more valuable than they were a few years ago. Now is the time for innovators to rethink their strategy and introduce new industry models. Plans for collaboration have been launched. Students and parents are avoiding personal or physical connection in the interest of safety, but they have begun to share their ideas online. Those students and parents who are concerned are not just rethinking their career choices, but are also hoping for a better outcome from the current uncertainties. Virtual platforms are becoming more popular at the faster rate. It's now a place where everyone can work. Workplace dynamics have shown similar patterns. This is how virtual internship or OJTs came to be, with online instruction becoming the new norm. Many organizations were previously experienced with remote work, while others had numerous obstacles throughout the move because their previous staff were not used to working online and some were not tech savvy enough. However, their eagerness to learn new things gradually made them more adaptable to changing trends and technologies. Though COVID-19 has sown deeper roots of uncertainty, virtual OJTs have brought additional colors to our rainbow of hopes and given us the courage to pursue our goals. Virtual learning is becoming more popular. In the not too distant future, simulation will be a fundamental aspect of learning. Virtual OJTs are like gold mines for anyone trying to earn recognized vital skills that companies want in 2021 and beyond. Be independent learners, be 21st century learners. That is the new normal, students. If you cannot create avenues for self-growth, then you will not succeed in this world which needs self-directed or self-determined professionals. Good day.